Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix no internet connection in Capcut on iPhone, iPad issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your setting, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, scroll it down. Now tap on screen time. Now tap on content privacy and restriction. Content privacy restriction, tap on turn off, and after this go back, scroll it down, tap on general. Now tap on background app, refresh, tap it, and Capcut turn off and retry turn on, and tap on off and tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data turn on. After this go back. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap it reset and tap on reset network setting. Enter your passcode for doing reset all network settings. After this go back, scroll it down, tap on iPhone storage. Now tap on Capcut, tap on offload app and reinstall your app. And after this go back, and check your problem. Now tap on Capcut, tap on it, and your problem will be fixed. And after this go back. After doing all step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.